In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover accidentally deleted applications on Cloudways. Accidents happen to the best of us, but don't worry. With Cloudways, you have a streamlined process to recover applications with ease. I'm here to guide you through each step to restore your applications without any hassle. Let's begin by navigating to the managed cloud hosting platform on Cloudways. Open your preferred web browser and enter the Cloudways website URL. The homepage is your gateway to accessing the robust tools Cloudways offers for managing your applications. From here, you'll want to log into your account, look for the login button, usually located on the upper right corner of the page. Click on it to access the login page. Enter your credentials, making sure your username and password are correct. Once you're logged in, you're ready to dive into the dashboard where the magic happens. Now that you're on the Cloudways dashboard, take a moment to get your bearings. This dashboard is your hub for managing all aspects of your cloud hosting services. You'll see several options, but today we're going to focus on recovering that deleted application. Next, locate and click on My Server. This section lists all the servers associated with your account, providing an overview of their status and operations. Click on the server where your deleted application was hosted. This step is crucial since we need to access the specific settings of this server to recover your missing application. Once you're in the correct server section, find and click on Backups and Restore. It's typically displayed in the server management area. Cloudways offers automatic backups, which are a lifesaver here, as they enable you to restore your applications to a previous state. Now here comes the most satisfying part. You'll see a restore button, which is what we're aiming for. Click on it. This action will initiate the restoration process, retrieving the entire application back to its former glory. The system will ask you to confirm your action, so go ahead and confirm the restoration. The process may take a few moments depending on the size of the application and the speed of your server, so just be patient. Once completed, you'll receive a confirmation that your application has been successfully restored. And that's it! You've just recovered your accidentally deleted application using Cloudways. It's as simple and straightforward as following these steps, ensuring your application is back online and running smoothly. Hopefully this process has not only resolved your immediate issue, but also familiarized you with evolving cloud management skills that will benefit you in the future. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video with more Cloudways tips and tricks.